The BISSELL CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner in green. This powerhouse has 37,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's got powerful pet hair pickup with triple action brush roll and scatter-free technology. The swivel steering makes it easier to maneuver around furniture and other obstacles. You can clean edges and corners with edge-to-edge cleaning, and the cleaning path width is 13.5 inches. You can also remove pet hair with the specialized pet tools, including a pet hair corner tool and a pet tool. The bottom easy empty dirt bin makes emptying quick and mess-free, and has a hose length of 6 feet. BISSELL also has other models of pet-oriented vacuums that are well received as well, so check those out on the listing. Now let's check out a quick Q&A from the listing. How does this do with American Akita hair, which is very thick and fluffy and in large quantities? And the answer: we have 2 cats and 2 German Shepherds. The Shepherds have double coats and shed year-round. This vacuum does great with picking up pet hair. Nice. And now let's check out a review by my cat. What do you think of this vacuum cleaner? Yeah? Is it good? Alright then, there you have it. And don't forget, when you buy BISSELL, you save pets. They donate up to $10 to the BISSELL Pet Foundation for every pet product you purchase upon activation. So pick yours up on Amazon Prime for free shipping and free delivery. The Dyson Ball Multi-Floor Origin High Performance HEPA Filter Upright Corded Vacuum with a bold fuchsia silver color scheme. And Dyson makes a variety of wild, bold, and powerful vacuums, so check out the other listings as well. This has an instant release high reach wand and includes accessories for all floor, delicate, pet, and hard to reach surfaces. The radial root cyclone technology captures dirt and microscopic dust, and it has self-adjusting cleaner head which seals in suction across carpets and hard floors. It has a combination tool, a stair tool, a lifetime washable HEPA filter as well, and the ball technology allows for easy steering. It's certified asthma and allergy friendly, traps allergens and bacteria. With whole machine HEPA filtration, no other vacuum expels cleaner air. It's got 1,827 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Very nice. Now let's check out a helpful review from Carol Dunlap, a verified purchaser. Once we figured out how to get it assembled, it was very easy to work. It has great suction and can easily be emptied of dirt. I'm 78, but it's so maneuverable that it does not really matter. We have carpeting, oriental rugs, and tile, and can easily switch modes. Very happy with the product. The Shark NV356E S2 Navigator Lift-Away Professional Upright Vacuum with Pet Power Brush and Crevice Tool, seen here in white and silver. It's got about 19,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Very nice. It has a dust cup capacity of 2.2 quarts, which is easy lift away. You just press a button to lift the canister, and this is great for easily cleaning hard-to-reach areas. With anti-allergen complete seal technology plus a HEPA filter, it traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. It's powerful and lightweight, weighing in at 13.5 pounds, and has brush roll shutoff, deep carpet, and gentle bare floor cleaning. Shark also has some other nice models for very specific tasks, so if you're looking for something specific, check those out as well. Now let's check out a helpful review from a verified purchaser. I absolutely love this vacuum. With 2 dogs, a cat, and a 6-month-old, I needed a good vacuum for a good price, and that is exactly what I got. Amazing suction, lots of accessories, and perfect for both carpet and hard floor. Picks up dog hair like you wouldn't believe. There you have it. Pick up this Shark on Amazon Prime. You get free shipping and free delivery, and you're gonna love it.